Thank you for coming back to Polkadot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my ERIN CONDREN purchase, and it's a combination of things. There were some surprise bundles that were offered in amongst a sale of many other things. So let's open it up, take a look, and see what kind of surprises we have. So this is going to be challenging because it doesn't seem as though things are clearly defined. Okay, so I think I've got it figured out. I looked back at my receipt. So here's an example. I chose a washi tape pack, and it is Inspire themed. And unfortunately, I guess this Inspire themed washi tape came as one of the bundle accessory packs. It's good because it's something that I would have picked myself, but unfortunately I picked it myself. And here's a close look at the washies. They're hard to get started actually. Have to kind of wreck the edges, but I wanted to give you a little look at each of them. The interesting thing about this washi is that I thought it was two separate pieces, but it's not. It's actually all one piece. And that is a close-up look at what those look like. So something else that I picked myself were these Raspberry Iris Black winter gel pens. And then I picked these dual tip markers. And the colors are kind of earthy tone, I guess would be the best way to describe them. So the two bundles that I got were Wildflower and Inspire themed. One was $30, one was $20. So from what I'm assuming must be the Wildflower bundle are these two packs of pens. Write, highlight, underscore, color, and more with these writing tools. And those are the colors there. So I'm trying to see, like, they seem very similar, the colors themselves. So we'll have to experiment with those. Then more writing tools. This is Harmony, which makes me wonder if I purchased that because it's not Inspire or in Bloom. And I thought that I had chosen a pack of markers. I'm trying to think, would this be the pack that I would choose? Quite possibly. It's got some great colors in there. So I think this must have came in the Inspire bundle. So let's separate those. Let's like keep all of the Inspire things separate. I did not choose these. Bookmarks that go very specifically into the ERIN CONDREN planners. This notepad to clip into their planner. 2 more clip-ins for their planners. I wonder if any of this will fit into my one planner I do use from them. Let's check. So I do use this little planner, productivity planner, and so that's the right size that will fit in there. So that's okay. As well as these little binder clips, okay. This is definitely going to be too big. This little, not by much though. So let's keep track of all of the Inspire things though separately from the In Bloom. This is a pair of magnetic to-do lists. You know what I'm thinking I might do with these magnets? Maybe I'll cut them up and use them in my planners for magnetic closures. It's one sort of possibility. Otherwise, at least I can just clip this into any planner that I use. And then I guess you can write on here, which is kind of handy. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is nice actually. This is something that I chose, and it is a bracelet. And that's what that looks like. I chose that for my daughter, actually, as a graduation present. You are a star, shine on. I thought that was perfect for her to put with her graduation gift, because she got a gold star. So that is nice. I'm very happy that this has come wrapped really well. This was something else that I chose. This is washi tape, 2 rolls. Their books, somewhat expected. Interesting that one was $20 and one was $30. They seem to have come with a lot of the same stuff. Anyway, those I'll open up and look at in a minute. This was something that I chose for my junk journals. I thought it would be nice to have this pre-made cover in this pretty flowery design. So that's good. But this whole box cost me $108 US, plus shipping, plus postage, plus, and by postage I mean I had to pay to pick it up from a post office box, plus duty. So all in all, I'm kind of disappointed with myself for purchasing from them. They do have a lot of nice products. Okay, this is nice. So this is neat. Look at that washi tape sticker. So that I'm very happy about. These are regular paper stickers. Paper stickers, foiled paper stickers. Shopping list, dinner plans, important. So these are good. I did look through to see what, oh, this has a silver foil, what things might come in it, what kind of accessories there were And I was hoping for like pencil cases, and stickers are okay. Like this, happy with, because I can use those. This is the sticker pack for Inspire. All the same kind of ideas. Design layout is exactly the same. So these ones and these ones are going to be your washies. Everything else is going to be papered. It's going to be foiled. I do like this pattern. It's really very pretty. I can even reuse this packaging after it's done. So that's the chance you take with mystery bundles. I do have a bunch more writing tools now. Matches cute with the mid-century circles. So that is the unboxing. What do you guys think? Do you think this is worth? Because it's not $100. To me, it's $157 is what I paid Canadian for it. On top of all the other charges, on top of just driving 2 hours to go and pick up this box, along with a couple of other things that I'll be unboxing. So here is the final products. This is the $20 bundle with the snap-in dashboard, magnetic clip, markers, or the writing tools, and the stickers. And here is the $30 pack, which is the magnetic to-do list, the mini snap bookmarks, the universal snap dashboard, the sticky notes, the writing tools, and the Inspire, Motivate, Plan sticker set. So that is the surprise mystery bundles from ERIN Condren. Definitely let me know what you think down below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Oh yeah, and then this washi was the last thing. As to whether or not you think that they were a good value. If you shop ERIN Condren, you know that their products are very expensive, and this was a discount in comparison to the normal prices. So yeah, let me know your comments down below. Did you get any of the mystery bundles? It was a recent sale that she had here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.